every human body, now this is what the doctors must learn and realize, that every human body has more than 53 trillion cells, maybe 55 trillion cells. And every cell has the mind of its own. And it has been observed, agreed, that every cell has the memory. You know, the computer is known as what memory? So they say around 8 GB. Certainly it would be much more, but even if I agree to 8 GB, 8 GB multiplied by 53 trillion, how many GB memory this body has? So can you afford to say the disease is incurable because the medicine is not available? Please tell me. And will you believe it is incurable because the medicine is not available? You will have to learn to operate this body. You are becoming specialized of eye specialist, ear specialist. As a matter of fact, I say that do not treat a human being as a single body. Receive him as the community of 53 trillion people who has their individual emotions, individual mind, and individual cellular behavior. So I want to educate the doctors so that they can integrate Shiva Yoga in their modern medicine. And those who have done, they are easily curing the patients. And they all are saying cure is possible. So it is not a single individual, but it is the community of 53 trillion cells, which has the mind of its own. So that is why you don't have to treat the disease, you have to treat the cause, what has gone wrong. So, understanding of the human being, there is a teaching in the medical science which is called anatomy and physiology. And how the anatomy and physiology is being taught is dissecting the body. Am I right or wrong? Now you are dissecting a live body or a dead body. You are bringing your knowledge on the basis of a dead body, whereas the alive human being behaves absolutely differently than the. Number two, the tests which are done are on mice and guinea pigs. Their physical structure may be same, but human being is not only the physical structure. The human being has the consciousness and emotions, and they behave differently in different emotions.